Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss very important physical property of element, that is electron affinity. In this single slide, you can cover this topic in a very easy method. Number one, definition. How you can define electron affinity? Electron affinity is actually the amount of energy which is released or absorbed when an electron is added in the outermost shell of its isolated gaseous atom to form negative ion. Or in the simple way, we can say that when an atom has to gain an electron in its outermost shell, energy can be released or energy can be absorbed. There are two steps in the case of oxygen. Actually, oxygen belongs to group 6A. In order to make its octet complete, it has to gain 2 electrons, but these 2 electrons adding process take place in 2 steps. In the first step, you can see that oxygen neutral atom gain 1 electron and form oxygen anion. EA stands for electron affinity 1 because only 1 electron is being added in this step. Some amount of energy is being released. So that's why electron affinity value is showing with the negative sign representing exothermic reaction. While when an oxygen atom has gained 1 electron, it has become uninegative anion. The second electron has to be added in this anion instead of an atom. When this negative anion adds electron, it forms dinegative ion. And in this process, energy is being absorbed. It means the second process for addition of second electron, 780 kilojoule per mole energy is required. First step is exothermic process, while the second step is endothermic process. What is the trends of electron affinity? In groups and period. In groups, the value of electron affinity decreases from top to bottom. It means the elements which are present at the top of the periodic table shows greater electron affinity values, while the elements which are present at the bottom of the periodic table shows little electron affinity values. In the case of period, the value of electron affinity increases from left to right. When we move from left to right across the periodic table, the elements which are present at the right side have greater tendency to attract electron. So that's why more amount of energy is released. So we can say that the value of electron affinity increases from left to right. Two questions arises. Number one, why in this process, if we take example of oxygen, why the second electron affinity is shown with the positive sign while the first electron affinity is showing with the negative sign? The answer lies in the fact that when first electron was being added, it was adding in neutral atom. But when second electron was being added, it is adding in uni-negative ion, which is having negative charge. The incoming electron is being repelled by the existing negatively charged particles. So that's why in order to minimize this repulsion, some amount of energy has to be given to the system. So that's why the second value of electron affinity is showing with the positive sign. Here you can see that when we move from top to bottom in the group, the value of electron affinity is being decreasing, while when we move from left to right across the periodic table, the elements which are present on the right side have more tendency to attract electrons toward itself. So that's why they readily accept electron and more amount of energy releases. We conclude that electron affinity is the amount of energy which is released or absorbed in the second step when an electron is added in the outermost shell of an isolated gaseous atom. The value of electron affinity decreases when we move from top to bottom, while the value of electron affinity increases from left to right. The elements in the periodic table which are present on the left side have little tendency to attract electron, while the elements which are present at the right side of the periodic table from 3a to 7a, they have more tendency to attract electron toward themselves. So that's why they readily accept electron and the more amount of energy is released. There are two important factors on which the value of electron affinity depends. Number one, atomic size, and the other is electron negativity. We know that from top to bottom across the group, atomic size increases. It means that at the bottom of the periodic table, large sized elements are present. Large sized elements have little tendency to attract electrons. So that's why the value of electron affinity decreases. While the other factor is electronegativity. When we move from left to right across the period, electronegativity increases. Elements have more tendency to attract electron toward themselves. So that's why the value of electron affinity also increases. Thank you.